Product?
Yes.
That product?
What brand is it?
Toy. You can move it around for your car. For kids. $80.
Let's see.
Electrician is a bulky.
Well, nice, right? Wow. Nice. How much do you want to sell?
$80.
Only?
Yeah, it's very cheap, right?
But is the bank open? You need a, I can give you $20.
Can you give me $100?
No, 25.
30.
Okay, it's good.
Okay.
Give it to me. Can you give it in $30?
30 bucks.
It's good. It's very good, but it's look good.
Look, check how you.